me in your life until the night. Let me see in your life. I wanna hold you sometime. Sometime, I wanna hold you sometime. Sometime, I wanna ride you sometime. It's been a hell of a ride. But then I see this side. But then I see this side.
Hey guys, anyways, hey guys, it's your girl, all things _ alcohol on all social media platforms. If you're new here, hi and welcome. If you're returning, Sammy, what it do? What's up? So guys, welcome to a new vlog. Honestly speaking, I'm not sure what this vlog will be about, but it's another day, or rather another vlog of me living my life. Of me living my life. And yeah guys, hope you all enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah guys, hope you all are having an amazing April. PS, as I don't remember what I was saying here because my mic decided to disappoint me, but enjoy. What is the skin saying? What is the skin saying, guys? Oh my goodness. What are you saying, Hailey?
Okay, are you videoing me?
Even mine, yes.
This one I better do. Me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Abada. Big man way to be Abada. What's it coming? Chiwa coming. All depend. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? Chiwa coming. All depend. They get them. Ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, or they try to do, I'm plenty surviving just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy.
My skincare routine, then and then shower, guys. But now today's shower wasn't like the usual showers where I just spend like 10 minutes in the shower. It's Sunday, of course. You exfoliate, you do all the good stuff because you have all the time in the world. But yeah, just finished washing my hair, and when I wash my own hair, I prefer not using heat. But once a salon, honestly, I just let them be because I don't want to be that girl so I don't like that. Anyways, yeah, that's that, guys. I am due for maintenance day and just banzoyanini because I don't like going to saloons on the weekend, especially in Durban. guys, I was saying like I feel like if I'd go to a salon on a Saturday or a Sunday, I'd be tripping myself because I'd spend the whole day there, of which I don't want that for myself because I need to rest, child. I'm at work Monday to Friday, but I'll try find a gap some on a Thursday or Friday. I don't know when, but it gap is over. But I really need to do my hair because I cannot. Guys, I cannot shame with my hair. No banga twani. And no guys, I wonder like your hair influencers, guys, big ups to you. I mean that's not for me. That is not for me. Honestly, I know how to take care of my hair, but I don't like having my hair out for a long time because I struggle with maintaining my hair. So that's why. So hi guys, he suppose I am here is just not for me now. Guys, please share or please interact on hair content. Yes, but I saw the sign, I saw the Indian bang. Because I cannot, I know how to maintain my hair, or rather I know how to treat my hair for a certain period of time, of which is just like maximum, I think 3 days, literally. After that, I cannot take it. So, please interact. I'm not balapawi comments into scrattle and done because that's not for me. If I'm in makeup, I don't know, like Zana Fagi makeup is serious because I feel like that's just not for me. But I'd love to wear makeup, honest. Like one day, to be cute, but it's not my style. So even when you mean no maybe but it's not for me. The uncut of which I doubt, but like I'd accept a offer from a brand that does not align with me. Mina guys the energy, and if something does not align with me, energy, I will not be excited about it. But things home, all things skincare, all things fashion, they align with me, guys. Your makeup, your hair, in fact anything that has to do with hair, cutting out, it's not for me. Or rather, let me just say, anything that's going to make me a lady, that's not for me. I'm sure you guys would notice I'm not a lady, but obviously I wear girl clothes. But I'm not a lady. I prefer being chilled, like that's when I'm comfortable. But I can be a lady here and there, like I don't mind, but that does not align with my brand. Even if you guys could see me wearing a weave, yes, I'd wear a weave, but that does not mean after that can go a brand and say, hey, I want to work with you. No, guys, personally I wouldn't accept that because I know I'm not passionate about weaves. So all in all, I'd never do anything that I'm uncomfortable doing, because as an energy, that's one thing about me. I'm energy. I talk easy, like go. Literally. Yo guys, we're sitting polluted. But anyways, guys, in fact, my sister made me realize something. Guys, when your hair is dirty, it reflects your skin inside. Literally, my skin, like here, I have pimples. Like, in fact, I have pimples on my face, of which guys, I'm going to on like hectic skincare problems. Yes, I do have them here and there, but they're not hectic. But when my hair is dirty, oh my goodness. But yeah, my sister actually made me realize that a reflective swing, and I'd like to attest to that, because I'm not even PMSing, because the only reason why I have spots here is simply because when I'm PMSing, yeah, but yeah, and then and then end up in sports, which I'm unlearning to do so. And that's the end of this vlog. Yo guys, honestly speaking, I did not feel like doing it. I did not feel like doing it, but we did it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.